Best motorcycle for beginners: Honda CB500X. Choosing the right motorcycle as a beginner rider is a crucial decision. It sets the foundation for your riding experience, safety, and skill development. Among the many options available, the Honda CB500X stands out as one of the best motorcycles for beginners. In this article, we will explore the key reasons why the Honda CB500X is the ideal choice for those embarking on their two-wheel journey. Approachable power. One of the standout features of the Honda CB500X is its approachable power delivery. It is equipped with a 471cc parallel twin engine that strikes a balance between performance and user-friendliness. This engine produces enough power to handle highway speeds comfortably while being forgiving enough for novice riders. The linear power delivery allows beginners to gain confidence and control without overwhelming acceleration. Ergonomics and comfort. Comfort is essential, especially for beginners who may be spending extended periods on their motorcycles as they learn and explore. The Honda CB500X's upright riding position and comfortable seat make it an excellent choice for riders of all sizes. The handlebars are positioned to reduce strain on the wrists and shoulders, ensuring a relaxed riding experience. Lightweight and maneuverable. One of the biggest challenges for new riders is handling their motorcycle at low speeds or in tight spaces. The CB500X's lightweight chassis makes it easy to handle, whether you're navigating through city traffic or parking in a crowded lot. Its nimbleness inspires confidence, allowing beginners to master low-speed maneuvers and tight turns. Adventure touring versatility. The Honda CB500X belongs to the adventure touring category, which means it's designed for versatility. This bike can handle various terrains, from smooth city streets to gravel roads. For beginners who want to explore different types of riding, the CB500X offers the flexibility to do so without needing multiple motorcycles. Modern features and technology. Honda has equipped the CB500X with modern features and technology that enhance both safety and convenience. Anti-lock braking system, ABS, comes standard, providing an extra layer of security, especially in emergency braking situations. The bike's digital instrumentation offers essential information at a glance, ensuring that riders can stay focused on the road. Fuel efficiency. Cost of ownership is an important consideration for beginners, and the CB500X shines in terms of fuel efficiency. Its efficient engine design allows it to deliver impressive miles per gallon, helping new riders save money on fuel and reduce their carbon footprint. Upgradable and customizable. As riders gain experience, they often develop preferences and may want to customize their bikes. The CB500X is upgradable and customizable, allowing beginners to grow with their motorcycle. Whether it's adding luggage for longer trips or tweaking the suspension for a more tailored ride, this bike offers room for personalization. Strong resale value. Another advantage of choosing the Honda CB500X is its strong resale value. Honda motorcycles are known for retaining their value over time, which is beneficial if a beginner rider eventually decides to upgrade to a more advanced model or a different style of motorcycle. Conclusion. The Honda CB500X stands as a shining example of an excellent motorcycle for beginners. Its balanced power, comfortable ergonomics, lightweight design, and versatility make it an ideal choice for those starting their motorcycle journey. With modern features, customization options, and strong resale value, the CB500X provides a pathway to developing riding skills and exploring the world of motorcycling with confidence and enthusiasm. For beginners, it's a motorcycle that not only meets their needs but also sets the stage for countless adventures on two wheels.